So here we have the 2026 Tesla Model S. It's the last of its kind. This one is in silver, beautiful color. We notice here touch button.
You are watching What's Lock and Key.
Handle here, entering into the front. Seat moves back smoothly as usual. We notice there's an ambient light that goes across the front of the vehicle. Let's see the size of the front here. It's a lot bigger than the Model 3, as well as the Model Y. Spacious there. Can add maybe one piece of luggage, small bag of golf clubs. There is for the hitch for towing, just in case you run out of electricity, which you probably won't because the mileage on this one is pretty high. We notice as well the console here has this nice wooden finish. The seats are not real leather, but they're soft. Very smooth handling there. Let's go to the back here. There we notice the space is pretty big. We can let the seats down. There's some other space right underneath in this compartment. A lot bigger than the Model 3. Maybe a little bit larger as well than the Model Y. Now these seats can come down, but they don't come back up automatically on this model. And this is the last version that will be made of the Tesla 2026 Model S. There will not be a 2027. The focus will be on robots. We have a screen here so that you can view your video games or songs from the back. Ambient lighting running across the back of the vehicle. The body is a lot wider than the Model 3. We'll be giving you updates on the Tesla bot as well, so stay tuned and thank you for watching What's Lock and Key.
You are watching What's Lock and Key.